Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to log into your Moodle account. In order to log into your Moodle account, first of all, open up a web browser. Now type in moodle.org and search. After you get to the official website for Moodle, go ahead and click on the login button at the top right corner in order to log into your existing account. In the sign in area, you will need to type in your username followed by your account's password. You can also log in using your Google account or your Microsoft account. Simply enter your username and then your password in the text boxes. If you don't remember your password, click on Lost Password and follow through the instruction. After typing in your credential, click Login. Soon after you do that, you will then be able to log in to your Moodle account. This will be your main homepage for Moodle. After you end up in the main homepage, you will know that you have successfully logged in. Now you can access a wide range of features and tools designed for online learning and course management. You can enroll in courses offered by your institution or organization, submit assignments, participate in discussions, and much more. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.